You are my girl, I need you back in my life. Brown skin girl, you are my first wife. Living that Uncle Phil life. And you have brought me my son, the Fresh Prince of Toronto. Ja Sun, Ja Moon, Kaya Bingi and Yerusham Singi. And all my other kids, 13 of them. No, I'm having spiritual babies. Need you back in my life, my lady. You are my sunshine. You are my rainbow. You are my moon at night. You are my guiding light. You is the water. Come feed my daughter. Come feed the sons. We have a mountain to climb. We go up there and listen to Jesus Holy Emmanuel. Part the things them, nobody tell no lie. Joshua up in the sky, I run back and forth from Zion to Jerusalem, teaching all the children how to overstand. Now we're there upon planet Earth and we are Gideon are going on. And we don't want to see no long song about murdering someone. We want to see the upliftment of the black man. We want to see the upliftment of the woman, black woman. So ooh them, I try come free when it's me them. Want to oversee, we's going overseas, back to Africa, Jerusalem, Zion, back to Kemet, the land where enough people live good and free. The New Jerusalem is with me, Zion, the gates of Zion. Home free, back to love inside of me. When I look myself in the mirror, I can see love, and that's all in me. Back to love inside of me. When I look myself in the mirror, I can see love, and that's all inside of me. I wanna be free to do what I need to do. Free to have the ability to make money. Free to be out of this custody of this heavy burden. I wanna be me, Yahshua Israel King Solomon.